Checking your e-file status on H&R Block. Tracking the status of your e-file tax return is crucial for staying updated on its progress. H&R Block provides a convenient platform for checking your e-file status, ensuring you're informed throughout the filing process. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to check your e-file status on H&R Block for the tax year 2024. So let's delve into it. Firstly, visit the official H&R Block website and access the e-file status page through the following link that says H&R Block Check e-file status. Once on the web page, familiarize yourself with information provided to understand the process of checking your e-file status using H&R Block's platform. Ensure you have the necessary information handy, including your social security number, filing status, and exact amount of your anticipated refund. If you haven't yet already signed in to your account, use your credential to access your account. Click on the designated link to proceed the e-file status page. Here you will be prompted to enter specific details of your tax returns to retrieve current status. Enter your social security number, filing status, and exact refund amount as requested. Follow the prompts provided to complete the e-file status check. Once submitted, review the information displayed to ascertain the current situation. Once submitted, review the information displayed to ascertain the current status of your e-file return. Additionally, explore Where's My Refund page on the H&R Block website. And this was everything you needed to know about checking your e-file status on H&R Block.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.